Welcome to this Gravity CX tutorial video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Device Selector. To find the Device Selector, you need to head over to this headset icon that's on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Once you go ahead and click on it, you'll see two options. You'll see the output and the input device. The output is going to be where you're going to be able to listen to the customer, and the input is going to be where the customer is going to be able to listen to you. So it's basically the speaker and the microphone on your device. You can go ahead and select between different options of speakers and different options of microphone depending on what devices you're using. If you're using wired headsets, you'll be able to locate the microphone here, and you'll also be able to locate the speaker here. Please remember that we do highly recommend using wired headsets in Gravity CX. If you are using Bluetooth headsets, they will also appear in this section here, and you can select them, but they are not recommended for Gravity CX. This is very useful when customers, or in this case agents, are unable to hear during calls, because they can select the device where they're going to either hear them or where their audio is going to be heard on. So it can be that the computer microphone is the one that's being used and it's a little bit distant from where the agent is, so they can change it to their headset microphone, and that should fix the problem. Thank you again for your attention. Have a great day.